All right, hi everybody. We're working through the quadratic functions and equations review. We're on question 22. It's multiple choice. The roots of the equation 4x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0 can be written in the form, and they give you the quadratic form, but it looks to me like it's been simplified a bit. Okay, the value of a is blank. So what we got to do here is we got to set this thing up as in the quadratic formula. So x is equal to negative of b, which is 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 4 squared, minus 4 times a, 4 times c, negative 5, all over 2 times a, which is 4. So this will end up being negative 4 plus or minus the square root of, okay, well now, maybe we go to our calculator because that's just convenient here. So 4 squared minus 4 times negative 5, and we get 96, all over 8. Okay. Now, to simplify this, I got to simplify the radical here, okay, and pull stuff out. So I'll do that over here. So this is going to equal, let's take a quick look at this. We've got negative 4 plus or minus, there's an 8 down there, 96. Okay, let's think about how 96 works here. Okay, so the square root of 96, well, what can we pull out of 96? Well, we can divide that. We can see right now that that's divisible by 2. So this would be 2 times, what do we got here? 2 times, and then, let me think here, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now that's a little bit crazy here, but when I start to think about how I yank out the 2's here, if you take out a 2, you get 48, take out a 2, 24, take out a 2, you got 12, take out a 2, you got 6, take out a 2, and then you're left with 3 here. Because I'm looking for the square root, I'm looking for pairs of factors. So this will end up becoming, I take out a 2 for each of those pairs. There's 2 2's out front, so that's 4 root, and there's a 2 times 3 inside there. So 4 root 6, okay, is what I'm looking for inside there. Or sorry, as the simplified form of the radical, so 4 root 6. Notice that in the numerator here, each of those has got a common factor of 4. Now don't worry about the 6. The root 6 is different here. Okay, it's not part of this. Well, it is part of it in that it's multiplied by it, but when I'm factoring out the common value here, I'm factoring out from the coefficients. So I'm going to factor out a 4, which will leave me with negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 6 all over 8. And now notice right away here that this is really the form that I'm looking for in there. And if I cancel the 4 and with the factor of 4 down in the denominator, I'm going to get a 2 down there. That really is the form I'm looking for, and so the answer here must be A6.